You simply have too much to lose when your USB cable connection fails. That is why Sand Victory Corporation has developed a lock-included USB cable that can make sure your cable connection will always be in good shape. Our USB cable can ensure that the USB sockets will stay intact to the USB ports using a built-in lock. There will no longer be any accidental movements that will pull the USB out of the device it is attached to. Simply squeeze on both sides of the USB socket and the lock will be unlocked. All your problems solved. No more accident. It's that simple. Let us know if you are interested in our products and we can customize the USB cable lines to meet your needs. Thank you for choosing Sand Victory Corporation.